Hello, hi, my Gleanify student. I'm happy to have you all here. Once again, it is your coach Gleaner. So, welcome to the section on where we'll be talking about raw materials, that is chemical, used in paint production. So, I need you all to pay good attention to this section. One of the reasons why most paint manufacturers failed in their, or rather, fail woefully in the paint production process is due to not knowing the types of chemical or knowing the functions of chemical when it comes to paint production. So I'm happy that you are going to have a proper understanding of the different chemicals used in paint production process. So in this section, I'm going to be revealing to you the functions of different types of chemicals used in paint production, both for water-based paint and oil-based paint. And of course, it is very important that you listen properly to the functions of these paint chemicals because it is when you understand the definitions of these chemicals, you'll be able to come up with your own suitable and well standard production process. By the time that you know that most of these chemicals are acting to get you this perfect conditions of your production, you'll be able to know that if this particular chemicals function is to give paint durability, coverage, and long lasting color effects, you will now have the idea to make use of certain chemicals. One of the reasons why paint manufacturers fail, like I said, woefully, and have a bad production process, it is because of not keeping observant of the functions of this chemical, or rather, not taking proper observant or understanding the functions of each chemicals used in the production of paint process. By the time you understand the functions of each of your chemicals, you will now know the importance of adding most of these chemicals in your paint production, which will enable your paint durability come out great. You understand? So, knowing the functions of paint production chemical is your number one essential to a better paint manufacturer. So, I advise you to please understand the functions of each and every chemical. So, like I said, when you understand the functions of all of this chemical, you will now have a proper guidelines to producing a unique standard paint for consumptions. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the explanation of chemicals and raw materials used for the production of different types of paint. Thank you.